Watch, I've been doing this to her for like 10 minutes.
Go!
Scared? You don't seem scared.
Oh. Yeah, come. Bitch, yeah.
Oh my god.
Hey!
That's so cool. It's water that has bubbles. Please. Oh my god.
I know you're about to bite me.
How does one sleep in this position? I just don't get it.
Yay, bro.
Oh, she's not. Oh, so sorry about that.
Come on. Get out.
Would you like to wear this as a hat?
No.
I'll give you a piece.
Hey, get down. Get down.
Hey.
I don't know. Oh, Jesus. Oh, my God. There's you coming. Oh, my God.
Make the right choice, okay? Hey. That's not it.
Normalize you not touching my charger.
That is absolutely...
Oh my god.
Info.
Do you like it? No.
How does one sleep in this position? I just don't get it.
Seriously, this cat's a little stupid. Hello? Where did he go?
Hey, come here, come on.
Yeah. I feel you. That's your cat.
Oh.
Are you gonna pray or someone else is gonna pray?
Back to his feet. Is he going to deliver? Sweet. Oh!
What can I get for you?
Girlfriend and I are gonna get dressed. Do your stretches, gotta show you.
Gotta get you clean. You want me?
Okay.
Frankie! There you go. Spicy. Hey, Spicy.
Ow. To you too.
Well, it's just your demise.
Oh my god.
О, ты тут, здоров.
Look at this little kitten. Hey. Oh, did she say hi?
Yeah. So far,
What are you doing?
John, how's 2022? Oh, what? Oh, oh, okay.
I'll give you a piece. Oh, you're okay.
Fue esto. Suma. A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Look!
I love you perfect. I love you.
Joa!
This one's mean as fuck.
Done this.
Are you good? I need my jacket.
Oh God.